Hello, welcome to L3S. Today we'll discuss about some important MCQs for related to general science for competitive exams, and we advise you to go through our previous videos for general science, that is series 1. Let's get started. Question 1. Which part of the human body controls balance and coordination? Options are A. Cerebrum, B. Cerebellum, C. Thalamus, D. Medulla oblongata. And the right answer is B. Cerebellum. The cerebellum receives information from the sensory system, the spinal cord, and other part of the brain, and then regulates motor movement. This is the back of the brain. It regulates voluntary movement such as posture, balance, coordination, and speech, resulting in smooth and balanced muscular activity. You can see here in the picture the location of cerebellum. It is in the back of the brain. Question 2. What is the pH value of pure water? A. 5, B. 7, C. 6, D. 8. And the right answer is B. 7. pH value ranges from 0 to 14, and for pure water it is 7. And this value is considered neutral, neither acidic nor basic. In general, a water with pH value less than 7 is considered acidic, and with pH value greater than 7 is considered basic. And normal range for pH in surface water system is 6.5 to 8.5, and for groundwater it is 6 to 8.5. We can see here a pH scale. For water it is 7 generally. For coffee it is 5. Milk 6, tomato 4, lemon 2, vinegar 3, stomach acid 1, battery 0. Our blood pH value is 8, baking soda it is 9, then drain cleaner it is 14, soap it is 12, and so on. Question 3. Penicillin, the first antibiotic, was discovered by A. Alexander Fleming, B. Louis Pasteur, C. Marie Curie, D. Edward Jenner. And it is A. Alexander Fleming. Let's move to next question. What is MRI? It is used in generally for in the hospital or lab in the hospital. Options are A. Magnetic record of intestine, B. Magnetic recording of investigations, C. Magnetic resonance imaging, D. Magnetic resonance in intestines. And the correct answer is C. Magnetic resonance imaging. MRI is a type of diagnostic test that can create detailed images of nearly every structure and organs inside the body. MRI uses magnets and radio waves to produce images on computer. It does not ionized radiation. An image produced by MRI scan can show organs, bones, muscles, and blood vessels. Question 5. What is the primary function of white blood cells? A. Transporting oxygen, B. Blood clotting, C. Fighting infection, D. Digesting food. And it is fighting infection. White blood cells are one of the components of our blood along with red blood cell, platelets, and plasma. Each of these components has a unique functions in our body and in medicine. White blood cells are continuously made in our bone marrow. They have a short lifespan of just 1 to 3 days, and in human body, white blood cells contribute to immune defense by protecting against disease-causing agents and cells. The process of converting solid directly to gas is called A. Evaporation, B. Sublimation, C. Condensation, D. Freezing. And the right answer is B. Sublimation. Sublimation in physics conversion of a substance from the solid to gaseous state without it becoming liquid. An example is the vaporization of frozen carbon dioxide, dry ice at ordinary atmospheric pressure and temperature. The phenomenon is the result of vapor pressure and temperature relationship. Question 7. The smallest unit of life is called A. Tissue, B. Organ, C. Nucleus, D. Cell. And correct answer is D. Cell. Question 8. Which gas is known as laughing gas? A. Carbon dioxide, B. Nitrous oxide, C. Oxygen, D. NH3 or ammonia. And the right answer is nitrous oxide and 2O. Next question. Which organ in the human body is responsible for detoxification? A. Heart, B. Liver, C. Kidney, D. Lungs. It is B. Liver. The liver is the largest solid organ in the body. It removes toxin from the body's blood supply, maintains healthy blood sugar level, regulates blood clotting, and performs hundreds of other vital functions. It's located beneath the rib cage in the right upper abdomen. The liver filters all the blood in the body and breaks down poisonous substances such as alcohol and drugs. Also, it produces bile, a fluid that helps digest fat and carry away waste. It has 4 lobes, which are made up of 8 sections and thousands of lobules. Here we can see a picture of liver. Right lobe, left lobe. Question 10. Which part of the human body produces insulin? Liver, stomach, kidney, pancreas. It is the pancreas. Question 11. Which of the following gas is used in fire extinguisher? A. Oxygen, B. Nitrogen, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Helium. And it is C. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is used in fire extinguisher. It is heavier than oxygen and it forms a blanket around the burning substance and cut off the oxygen supply, and hence it extinguishing the fire. Fire always requires oxygen, and when it cut off the oxygen, the fire gets stopped, and that is why it is being used. We can see here different type of fire extinguisher used. Water, sometimes water used, and these are used on wood, paper, textile. If fire happen on wood, paper or textiles, then water fire extinguisher use. Then dry powder also use in case of wood, paper, textile, etc. Then flammable liquids, gaseous fires and electrical fires. Then foam is used in case of wood, paper, textiles, flammable liquids, and not for gaseous purpose, then again for electrical purpose. Carbon dioxide is used for flammable liquids, live electrical equipments, and then wood, paper and textiles, flammable metal fires. And wet chemical is used for and then wood, paper, textiles. Question 12. Who is the inventor of dynamite? Hermann Emil Fischer, Svante August Arrhenius, Sir William Ramsay, Alfred B. Nobel. It is Alfred B. Nobel. Which is the longest bone in human body? Fibula, radius, femur, stapes. It is C. Femur. Femur is the longest bone in human body. It is the thigh bone and it is longest bone in the body. Its critical part is to able to stand and move. Femur also supports lots of important muscles, tendons, ligaments and part of circulatory system. Richter scale is used for measuring amplitude of seismic waves, velocity of sound, intensity of light, intensity of sound. And the right answer is amplitude of seismic waves. Richter scale is most common standard of measurement of earthquakes. It was invented in 1935 by Charles F. Richter of California Institute of Technology as a mathematical device to compare the size of earthquakes. The Richter scale is used to rate the magnitude of the earthquake, that is, amount of energy released during an earthquake. Here is a picture showing Richter scale and their different impacts. Question 15. LPG is mostly liquidified. A. Hydrogen, B. Butane, C. Methane, D. Oxygen. And the right answer is it is B. Butane. Liquidified petroleum gas is a blend of light hydrocarbon compound. It mainly consists of butane or propane or a mixture of both. At room temperature, both gases are colorless and odorless. LPG is used as a fuel in the range of application including heating and cooking appliances, industrial application, in vehicles, and as a propellant and refrigerant. Thank you. That's all for today. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more contents from L3S. All the best.